हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। जैसे कि आप सब लोग ने देख ही लिया होगा थंबनेल से, तो टुडे हमारा टॉपिक है 2021 की करंट अफेयर्स, जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है। कोई भी कम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम ले लो तो वीडियो बहुत ही ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट और इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है। वीडियो को एंड तक ज़रूर देखना, और वीडियो अगर पसंद आए तो वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लेना। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का वीडियो। Who is appointed as the new Chief Secretary of Odisha? Answer: Suresh Chandra Mahapatra. Who is said to become youngest mayor of India from Thiruvananthapuram? Answer: Arya Rajendran. Which bank tops in banking, financial services and insurance from report? Answer: HDFC Bank. Which state government launched the scheme named Mind Jewels, housing all the poor? Answer: Andhra Pradesh. Where has been the first academic sessions of IIT Vadodara International Campus was inaugurated? Answer: Diu. Who won ICC Female Cricketer of the Decade Award? Answer: Alicia Perry. Who has been named as ICC Male Cricketer of the Decade Award? Answer: Virat Kohli. The history of Sikh gurus will be included in the curriculum in which state school? Answer: Uttar Pradesh. Who has won the title of Miss Trans Queen India 2020? Answer: Shaine Soni. Who won ICC Spirit of Cricket Award of the Decade? Answer: MS Dhoni. India's first pollinator park has been inaugurated in which state? Answer: Uttarakhand. Who wins DRDO's Scientist of the Year award? Answer: Hemant Kumar Pandey. What is India's rank in 12th edition of World Economic League Table 2021? Answer: 6th. Who authored the book titled Sutrani Vedanchi Sutra Ek Arnav? Answer: Dr. Rupachari. At which place country's highest meteorological center is located? Answer: Leh. Who has been appointed as the MD and CEO of Yes Bank investment arm Yes Securities? Answer: Prashant Prabhakaran. India's first hot air balloon safari has been launched in which tiger reserve? Answer: Bandhavgarh Tiger Reserve. In which state new Bhavpur Khurja section is inaugurated? Answer: Uttar Pradesh. A new species of wild run rose, Portulaca lelaji, has been discovered in which state? Answer: Andhra Pradesh. India's first test bed for autonomous navigation system was set up in which institute? Answer: LIT Hyderabad. Which state wins the Pandemic Category Digital India Award 2020? Answer: Bihar. Recently, which organization has developed the quantum random number generation? Answer: DRDO. By which year India will become the fifth largest economy in the world? Answer: 2025. 2025. Recently, India has ordered 1,580 artillery guns from which country? Answer: Israel. Who has set a new world record for fusion? Answer: K-Star. Which state government has taken punitive action against owners of vehicles with caste stickers? Answer: Uttar Pradesh. In which region the Indian and Vietnamese Navy held their PASEX exercise? Answer: South China Sea. Who won the Kamala Devi Chattopadhyay NIF Book Prize 2020? Answer: Amit Ahuja and Jairam Ramesh. Who authored the book Element of Quantitative Genetics, a Conceptual Approach? Answer: Dr. Stuti Sharma. In which state the Thoubal Multipurpose Project was established? Answer: Manipur. Who launched India's first remote monitoring system of gas turbines? Answer: IOCL. Which state has set up first rice ATM? Answer: Karnataka. Which state has unveiled its solar power policy 2021? Answer: Gujarat. Who has been conferred with the Platinum Award for Excellency in Digital Convergence? Answer: SCE Committee. The Brahmaputra Amantram Abhiyan is to held in which two states? Answer: Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. Which country has inducted Indian submarine INS Sindhuvir into its navy? Answer: Myanmar. Whose term has been extended by 1 year extension as ISRO chairman? Answer: K. Sivan. Who became the first recipient of the prestigious Molag Medal? Answer: Ajinkya Rehane. Which telecom company makes all of net domestic voice calls from January 1, 2021? Reliance Jio. Who has been appointed as the next Chief Secretary of Karnataka? Answer P. Ravi Kumar. Who has been appointed as the Chief Justice of Uttarakhand High Court? Answer Raghavendra Singh Chauhan. Who has won Eminent Engineers Award 2020 from IET? Answer V.K. Yadav. Who is awarded the highest civilian honor, knighthood, by the Queen Elizabeth? Answer Lewis Hamilton. Recently, which country has changed a word in its national anthem? Answer Australia. Who is said to become the youngest Panchayat President of Kerala? Answer Reshma Mariam Roy. Who authored the book titled Sabarimala Vijayangana Kostima? Answer K.S. Vijayanath. Who became chairman of Steel Authority of India? Answer Soma Mandal. Who is honored with the Raja Mansingh Tomar Award 2020? Answer Avinab Kala Parishad. Which states APTA Completion Portal won Silver Icon Award for Innovation during pandemic? Answer Bihar. Which department wins Digital India Gold Award 2020? Answer Department of Post. Which country is set to join as sixth member of the Five Eyes Intelligence Network? Answer Japan. Recently, which state has registered 8% growth in GST revenue in December 2020? Answer Kerala. Which state will host the 14th Global Healthcare Summit in 2021? Answer Andhra Pradesh. Recently, which state becomes fifth state to pass the resolution against farm law? Answer Kerala. Which country nuclear power generation breaks the Soviet record? Answer Russia. Which UT wins the award for the best performing UT in India for implementing the PMA? Answer Puducherry. Recently, who became a member of IOSCO? Answer IFSCA. Recently, which state has launched Kishan Fasal Rahat Yojana? Answer Jharkhand. Which Indian missile has got the approval from the Cabinet of Experts? Answer Akash. Who has been appointed as DG of NCC? Answer Jain Tarun Kumar. In how many states PM Modi laid the foundation stone for lighthouse projects? Answer 6. Who authored the book titled Bahana Masterclass? Answer Alfredo Covail. Which country new rule permit drones to fly over people of night in the country? Answer USA. Prakash Utsav is celebrated every year to commemorate the birth of which Guru? Answer, Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Recently, which state cabinet has approved Dharma Swatantra Bill 2020? Answer, Madhya Pradesh. Who has been appointed as the new chairman and CEO of Railway Board? Sunit Sharma. Who is appointed as the Chief Justice of Madras HC? Answer, Justice Sanjeev Banerjee. Who authored the book titled Elements of Quantitative Genetics? Answer, Professor Dr. Stuti Sharma. In which state did the first ginger processing plant of Northeast has been built? Answer, Meghalaya. Who has been named as the Deputy Election Commissioner of India? Answer, Umesh Sinha. Where will be the 4th Global Ayurveda Festival 2021 be held? Answer, Kerala. Who overtakes Jeff Bezos to become world's richest person? Answer, Elon Musk. Which organization to launch the satellite Amazonia 1 made entirely by Brazilian Space Agency? Answer, ISRO. Which state government has launched the mobile application Diginest? Answer, Punjab. Mathikaten Shola National Park, which recently notified as eco-sensitive zone, belongs to which state? Answer, Kerala. Which movie will be opening movie in 51 International Film Festival of India? Answer, Author Round. Which state inaugurated the river Purias named as Mukta Brahmaputra? Answer, Assam. Which is head of UGC's even member committees for CET and UG level? Answer, RP Tiwari. Recently, which bank has launched WhatsApp banking? Answer, Bank of Baroda. Recently, the well-preserved remains of Ice Age Bulli Rhino were found in which nation? Answer, Russia. If which country to launch first wooden satellite of the world in 2023? Answer, Japan. Who has been elected as the president of the All India Chess Federation? Answer, Sanjay Kapoor. Who is appointed as Chief Justice of Common High Court for J&K and Ladakh? Answer, Pankaj Mithal. Recently, which country has passed a bill making abortion valid? Answer, Argentina. Whereas India's 134 of its kind migrant worker cell was inaugurated? Answer, Surat. In which country did the Malala Yousafzai scholarship has been passed? Answer, United States. Who become head of newly formed high-level group for Asia Energy Security? Answer, Ram Vinay Shahi. Which state to host the 51st International Film Festival of India? Answer, Goa. WMO has conferred the status of Sentinel Observing Station 2? Answer: Patna Meteorological Observatory. Who inaugurated 4050 kilometer Kochi Mangaluru natural gas pipeline built by JAIL? Answer: PM Narendra Modi. What is India's rank in the World Economic League table 2021? Answer: 6th. Mukesh Ambani ranked at which place in the Bloomberg Billionaires Index 2021? Answer: 37th. Who has become India's 67th chess Grand Master? Answer: Leonie Mendranka. What is the name of 38th district of Tamil Nadu? Answer: Mailaduthurai. Which company becomes most valuable two-wheeler company? Answer: Bajaj Auto. Who became youngest Grama Panchayat President of Kerala? Answer: Reshma Mariam Roy. Where will Tesla start its biggest supercharger facility? Answer: China. Recently, which state government has established the Tamil Academy? Answer: Delhi. Which country has abolished the tampon tax? Answer: Britain. Which bank has launched the digital payment index? Answer: RBI. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. नेक्स्ट जो वीडियो आने वाला है वो है जनरल नॉलेज का पार्ट 2, जिसमें टॉप 100 इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन रहने वाला है. तो जल्द ही मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माय वीडियो.